Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you about Expand Product Catalog feature in Expand Easy Sales app. Expand Product Catalog offers numerous benefits including centralized information, enhanced visibility, improved customer experience, streamlined sales process, marketing opportunities, and time saving, valuable analytics, and scalability also. Now let's create a product and see the reflection. Log in into Expand smERP. Click on Business Definition. Select on Product. Click on New option. Enter the product details such as name, description, category, group, model, etc. In the Images tab, add the product image by clicking on Add option. Then the file icon to choose and attach your image file. You can upload multiple product images. Click on OK to confirm the image selection. Type the product name and select the default option. Go to the In Channel tab and select the tax exempted option, or you can also select tax in other charge tab. Select any additional options you require by clicking on Select More. Follow these steps and save your changes. You will be now able to see the added product. To view the product details on your mobile phone, open the Expand Easy Sales app. Click on Product Catalog and you will find all the uploaded products with images. Select a product to view its complete details. For more information, please visit our website www.expanderp.com.